Hey there, this is Manpreet and welcome to my booktube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the books that I read in the past 2 months. We'll be discussing the plot of the books and my ratings about those books and whether I loved those books or I hated those books. So if you're interested to know about some new books for the sake of, getting some book recommendations, then watch this video. Let's begin with the month of December. The first book that I read in December is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. This is the second last book in the Harry Potter series. The plot of the book is so amazing and I think everyone has watched the Harry Potter movies and that movie is not as good as this book. I thoroughly love the book because Harry Potter series is just simply awesome. So my ratings for that book is 4 out of 5 stars because I so loved it. The next book that I completed reading is The Ice Princess by Camilla Lackberg. I have already done the review of this book on my booktube channel, which I have linked down below. This book is a crime thriller in which a girl is found dead in her apartment and there is a writer and there is a cop who are investigating this whole case, and it's super amazing. There is nothing like unrealistic in this. It's a Swedish novel and it's very good to just go around Sweden through this book, and it's amazing and you should read that book and you should check out the review if you want to know more about this book. And the next book that I finally completed reading is Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. I actually stopped reading this book a number of times before I finally managed to complete this book, but to be truthful, after like 100 pages, after like 150 pages, I was like getting interested in this book, and by the end of this book I think it's a very sweet, very nice, very good novel, perfect for light reading. This book discusses fan fiction a lot, and to be truthful, I didn't know about fan fiction that much, so all that bonus content about Simone and everyone, it kept confusing me, like what is this? But after a while I understood it and then I started enjoying it, and by the end of this book I gave it like 3.5 out of 5 stars. Coming to the January 2016, when I was shifting from Punjab to Delhi, I just managed to read 2 books in this month, and the first book is a collection of short stories by Shriman Narayanan, who is an Indian author, and I have reviewed this book on my blog, which you can check down below. The link is down below. Stories in this book are somewhat around the same theme. It's fiction, but every story is there to bring out a different kind of emotion in you. Some stories are about love, some are about heartbreak, and some are about marriage, some are about the lessons we get from kids, and some are about the kind of creatures women are. There is a thing with short stories that you read one story and it all breaks down there and you have to push yourself to start and get into another story, and by the time you get into it, it again finishes. But this is not the case with this book, so you can continue this book as if you are reading just one book, just one story, and there are different aspects of it. So this is like really amazing. That's why I really like this short story book. The ratings I gave to this book is 3 out of 5 stars. The next book that I finished reading is Logically Stupid, That's Love by Shikha, and Shikha is one of my favorite authors, and this is the second book she has released. She is an Indian author and I loved her book as much as I loved her previous book, which is like a part of every favorite books video that I have made. So this book is about Karthik and Sahana, who are like 2 totally different people. Karthik is a logic driven person and Sahana is a love driven person, and both of them just meet once, while Karthik is like okay, he moved on, but Sahana still loves him, but for some reasons they are not able to be together. So that's where the story begins. This book is perfect for a person who wants to dive into the Indian people's mind. You can just see what actually happens in the society. There is nothing like an exaggerated version of something, and there is nothing like an under exaggerated version, if that's a word. So I really love this book, and I think I'll be doing a video review of that book as well, so we'll discuss about this book later in my another video. So the ratings I give to this book is 4 out of 5 stars. The next book that I finished reading is P.S. I Still Love You by Jenny Han. This is the second book after All the Boys I Have Loved Before. It's a young adult book and it's one of the best books of 2015, so I was like very excited to read this book, and I think it was very nice and it was a quick read. I was reading this book when I was on my way back home for a short trip, and I read this book only in the train, only during the journey, and I loved it. Like it was not like nothing serious in this book, but it was a cool young adult thing, which is like you can just flip the pages and you like it, you keep going on and you're done with the book. So that was it with this book. I won't say it was an amazing book, but it was a good book. So my ratings for this book is 3 out of 5 stars. I'm sorry if you're thinking that I'm not showing you the physical copies of the book. 2 of the books that I read were ebooks, and then all the books are at my home, so I do not have the physical copies, so I'm using these like transitions to show you the book covers. But yes, I read them and I loved them. There is no book which I read in December, January and February which I think I'll say that I regret reading that book. So that is pretty amazing. And now I'm going to show you the books which I'm currently reading. It's the book 1 in the Accidental Turn series, and it's named The Untold Tale by J.M. Frey. The cover is actually very beautiful. This is not the real cover, and this is the real cover, and it's by Rude Publications. So what happened was, I was followed by a person on Twitter, and she had like Rude, I work at Rude's Publication, I think she was the owner. So what I did was, like, I messaged her and I was like, I love your books, you are publishing young adult and I am really interested to read your books. And she was kind enough to send me this book and another book. So I'm currently reading this book and I'm done with 137 pages, and this book is amazing. I'll talk about this book once I'm finished with this. And yeah, these are the books that I read in the previous 2 months. I have not been able to read that many books because of all the shifting and all the chaos that is happening around me. I also visited a new place called Manipal. I have my vlogs up on my other channel. You can check my channel link on the description box down below. And what can I say about the people who have been with me on my booktube journey? You are so amazing. Even if I'm not posting my videos regularly, you are still there for me, and it really means a lot. So keep watching my videos, and I promise I'll try my best to upload more videos. Till then, this is Manpreet signing off, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up and share this video if you liked it.